Welcome to Step 2 of the Full Body Cleanse, the Liver Cleanse. It's estimated that the average person has a liver that only operates at around 15% efficiency due to a buildup of toxins. The Liver Cleanse program is an all-natural 6-day plan to cleanse and rejuvenate your liver and gallbladder. It involves following a healthy diet and taking supplements to stimulate your liver and soften buildup, followed by a flush that will purge toxins. Better digestion, more energy, and an elevated well-being are on the horizon. Days 1 to 4 include 6 ounces of extra virgin olive oil, 1 bottle that stimulates bile production, oxy powder that promotes toxin elimination, 2 ounces of liver health that cleanses the liver and provides antioxidant support, 2 ounces of turmeric, and 2 ounces packet of Epsom salt that relaxes the bile ducts to help flush the liver. Here is a list of plant-based foods that support the liver. Move on to Part 2 to complete days 5 and 6 of the Liver Cleanse.